What's up, everybody? So it's Sunday morning. We decided to come to the beach, hang out. So now we're at, I can't say it, Bahia Honda. Here we go. We're on like a little nature trail right now. We're gonna walk up here to the top of this bridge. So yeah, we're doing all this first, and then we'll head back to the house, get ready, and then at 2 o'clock we'll be on the boat headed out into the ocean and see what we can catch. So stay tuned and let's see how this video goes today. Later. Alright, y'all, we're back at the house. We're gonna get ready and then we're gonna head down to the Keys. So just bear with us and let's see what happens later. Guys, there you go, real deal. That's what we're getting on.
Don't know if y'all can hear me. We're headed out. Here we go. See what we can do. We're out here with this monster charter boats out of the marina. We're shooting out here about 800 foot. We got patrolling, got some downriggers, a couple other things. So outriggers, downriggers. Yeah, outriggers, downriggers. We got it all. So keep watching. As soon as something hits, I'll show you what we get. Guys. All right, Nick. All right, 2 on. Here goes Georgia. She's up next. All right. So we're getting there. We got one keeper so far. Dana just pulled up a red wet. Red wet? No, rose fish. Black belly rose, yeah. That. We're trying to deep drop, so see what we can pull up next. caught that barrel fish. Now we're looking for some more mahi. See what we can get into. Hold your horses.
What's up, everybody? So we just got back to the house. We're hungry, so we're rushing over here to one of the restaurants we like down here called Havana Jack's. Gonna go eat there, and then get back and clean up the house, get everything packed back up, and we're out of here tomorrow. We had a really good time out there with Fish Monster charter boats at A&B Marina. Ooh, contact messing up. Y'all check them out if y'all are ever down here and you're looking for a good charter. They're great people. They're awesome people. They got us on some fish and we had fun. So that's all that really mattered. So appreciate y'all watching this video, whatever you want to call it. We going to get something to eat and get right back to work on getting everything cleaned up. So like, subscribe, have fun. Later.